is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, it was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose their discipline. This game plan could now well reward them with an equaliser.
Looks to slip it through. Robben. Lovely feet. It's Robben! Lobs it in gently. Now it's Bale. Mario Götze. Sergio Ramos does well to read it and intercepts. Who's going to make this theirs? Ribéry. Almost 75 minutes on the clock now. Now it's Müller. Shooting chance! Yes, it's in! Jim, your thoughts?
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. Bayern Munich are 2 up and into a position of real strength.
Well, they've got themselves into such a good position now with a 2-goal cushion. I wouldn't like to be in their dressing room if they let this one slip.
Müller passes it through. Managed to get it away. Alaba. Vidal. And it's Lewandowski. Out to the left it goes. It's a loose ball. Lewandowski. Surely. It's come loose. Ribéry. Müller with the ball through. And more, and more, and more. And the lead is 3. It is surely done.
Oh, that was such a smart exchange of passes, and it took so many defenders out of play in one quick movement. Wonderful goal.
Bayern Munich blast themselves into a 3-goal lead. Looks like a good ball through. Oh, good interception. Ribéry. Mario Götze pumps it upfield. Rafael Varane cuts it out. Now the pass. Can he finish? Oh, extraordinary. Oh, you could tell he really wanted that.
Oh, he's just a nightmare for any defence. His movement, his pace, his anticipation, it's on another level. It's so hard for any defence to contain that.
Ribéry. Müller tries a through ball. Whistle's gone, and they've got themselves a free kick. So a chance here, what can they make of it? It is a fantastic goal! A finish right from the top draw!
Unbelievable.
They are running riot! And he's produced a beauty. Bayern Munich totally rampant here. Spoon forward. Sergio Ramos looks to dink one in. Jerome Boateng. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Bayern Munich were irresistible here, dominant, utterly ruthless. Only ever one result, a comfortable win. How would you sum up what we